Hello everyone and welcome. In today's video we're going to be looking at 16 best INVIDEO alternatives. That's right, 16. So many of us have been wondering what alternatives for INVIDEO. Well, I got them for you. It really depends on what you're looking for. Some folks need powerful AI tools, others just want simplicity, and some prioritize affordability. But don't worry, I've got you covered. We're gonna have a mix. We have a mix of awesome INVIDEO alternatives with something for everyone. And you can find your perfect match from this list. The first on our list is the Hair Gen. This is the Hair Gen that helps you create a video with a talking avatar in minutes. That's right. It's super easy and has tons of realistic avatars to choose from. You can even create your own custom avatar. It's also very user-friendly and produces high-quality videos quickly. The pricing is competitive and the customer support is top-notch. It also has multilingual support. So that's it. So the next on our list is Synthesia. Now, Synthesia is like a big player in the AI video world. Yes, it has been around for a while and has a really polished platform. It is known for its super realistic avatars and professional templates. If you want a platform with lots of features and a proven track record, Synthesia is a solid choice. This is Avatar Alex. Next, Synthesia is well known for its professional quality and extensive features. The platform is easy to use and the avatars are some of the most realistic available. So, as for the pricing, there's custom pricing, still plan, and creator plan. So go give it a try. Next on our list is the Colosseum. Unfortunately, we're not given access. I don't know why the site can't be reached. What I can tell you about it is all about creating those really human-like videos. They use some pretty advanced text to make the avatars look and sound incredibly realistic. So if you're aiming for top-notch quality and don't mind spending a bit more, Colosseum is worth checking out. That's right. Because it is known for its impressive realism and advanced technology, the avatars are truly lifelike and video quality is excellent. Now the next on our list is Vid. Vid is number 4. So Vid is a really versatile video editing platform. It has a lot of features including an AI text-to-speech generator with some decent avatars. It's a great option in media platform that can do it all from editing to adding special effects. It's known for versatility and affordability. It's a great option in media platform that can handle all your video editing needs, including AI and video generation. So the next on our list is LI. So this is LI. The unethical platform that focuses on making it super easy to create videos. To create AI videos. They have a simple interface and a good selection of avatars. You can even use it to create personalized videos at scale. That's right. And also, it's popular for its user-friendliness and personalized video capabilities. It's a great choice for creating quick and engaging AI videos. Like I said before, user-friendly and charge pricing. There's a free version for text to video only. The rest you have to have a plan. These are the plans available. So that is it. Next on our list is Vidnos. Now Vidnos is another platform that makes it easy to create AI videos. They focus on making the process fast and efficient. You can easily make videos from text, blog posts, and even audio files. That's right, audio files. It is known for its speed and efficiency. It's a good option for quickly creating AI videos from various sources. So for the pricing, you can see it. I've been scrolling through it since for you to see the pricing. Then you can get free 1 minute per day with 700 plus AI avatars. That's you have to pay for. The next on our list is Deep Brain AI. For whatever reason, we can't accept the AI either website, but it's known for its really high quality AI avatars. They use advanced technology to create avatars that look and sound incredibly realistic. They also offer a variety of AI-powered video solutions beyond just avatar creation. It's known for its impressive technology and diverse applications. The avatars are incredibly realistic and the platform offers solutions for various industries. like we said before. So the next on our list is How One. This is How One. Now, How One is another platform that focuses on creating realistic AI videos. They have a good selection of avatars and offer a variety of customization options. They also offer They also have a good selection of avatars. Sorry, they also have a strong focus on creating videos for professional use cases. And also, it's popular for its realism and professional focus. The platform is a good choice for creating high quality AI videos for business use. We have the free trial plan, we have the leads plan, business plan, and the enterprise plan. So that's it. Next on our list is Synthesia. Now we have Synthesia and we have Synthesis. This is synthesis actually. This is the AI. So I typed in synthesis, but this is what I call Bible. It seems they've changed to Bible. Yes, they've changed to Bible. So as you can see, Bible, literally AI, it helps you make realistic AI avatars, about 50 of them. Then you can create them with voices, capture emotions, and sound authentic. Smart tool for personalized content. You have AI portrait, AI photo generator, AI mounted maker, URL to video, AI clip generator, AI translator, and video ads maker. You can stay productive wherever you have because it's available online on Windows, Android, and iOS app. So see what you will get with Vibo. These are all the great things you get with Vibo. You can able to establish your brand identity, invest a fortnightly time and money, and amplify your reach. So it's a really, really great app. So the next on our list is Vidyard. Now as for Vibo was the one I did then. I couldn't get access to Synthesis actually. So now I'm going to the next one, which is Vidyard. Now Vidyard is a popular video platform that's primarily known for video hosting and analytic features. They also offer an AI-powered video generator that lets you create personalized videos with avatars. It's a good option for businesses that want to integrate video creation with their existing video marketing strategy. So, as for the pricing, we have the free plan, the pro plan, plus plan, and the business plan. The next on our list is Flicky. So Flicky is a unique platform that specializes in turning text into videos with AI voices. So really, really good. Let me see if I can. There it is. So these are often realistic avatars, but it's a great option for creating quick and engaging videos from blog posts, articles, and social media content. And this is known for its ease of use and affordability. It's a good choice for quickly creating videos from text content. It's also it also focuses on social media platforms videos. So it's really, really good. For the pricing, we have the free, standard, and the premium plans. Next, we have Speechify. Now, Speechify is primarily known for its text-to-speech app, but also offers a video creation tool that lets you make videos with AI avatars. It's a good option for educators and content creators who want to turn written content into engaging videos. It's well known for educational focus and ease of use. It's a good choice for creating videos from written content. So it's really, really good. And as for the pricing, we have the free plan and the premium plan. Next on our list is DID. That's the ID. So DID is a unique platform that specializes in creating talking head videos from still images. You can animate any photo and make it speak with their AI technology. It's a great option for creating engaging content from existing images. You can animate any photo. It is well known for its unique technology and flexibility. It's a fun and creative way to bring still images to life. So what are you waiting for? Give it a try. Next on our list is Creatify. Now, Creatify is an AI-powered video creation platform that focuses on creating engaging social media content. It offers a variety of templates and animation styles to help you create eye-catching videos quickly. It is known for its social media focus and ease of use. It's a good choice for creating quick and engaging social media content. And for the pricing, you have a free plan, beta plan, business plan, and enterprise plan. So the 10th one on our list is captions. 16th actually on our list is captions AI. Now, whatever reason for AI is not really showing as you can see, but I can tell you about it. It's a unique platform that focuses on automatically generating captions and subtitles for videos. While it doesn't offer AI avatars or video creation tools, it's a valuable tool for making videos more accessible and engaging. Caption AI is known for its valuable caption capabilities and capabilities. It's a great tool for making videos more accessible. It has automatic captioning, multilingual support, and stability. And for the price, it has the Pro, the Max, the Skill, and the Enterprise. It's the free version. So hope you found all the videos, all this that is helpful, so make your choice. If you find it helpful, do not forget to like and subscribe to the channel for more. Thanks for watching.